Welcome to 10 in a Nutshell. Today I will share with you 10 proven steps to thrive after a breakup. Number 1. Allow yourself to grieve. It's important to give yourself permission to feel the sadness, anger, and pain associated with the breakup. Embrace your emotions and allow yourself to heal. Number 2. Seek support. Reach out to friends, family, or a therapist who can provide a listening ear and emotional support during this challenging time. Number 3. Cut contact. Minimize or cut off contact with your ex-partner to create emotional distance and give yourself space to heal without constant reminders. Number 4. Focus on self-care. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being. Engage in activities that make you feel good, such as exercise, hobbies, and relaxation techniques. Number 5. Rediscover individuality. Reconnect with your own identity and interests. Rediscover the things that make you unique and build your self-esteem. Number 6. Set new goals. Channel your energy into setting and achieving personal goals. This can provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Number 7. Limit social media exposure. Reduce exposure to your ex-partner's social media and take a break from posting about your own life to avoid comparisons and unnecessary stress. Number 8. Create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's through new friendships, joining clubs, or attending social events. Number 9. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for the lessons learned from the relationship and the opportunities for growth that lie ahead. Number 10. Time and patience. Healing from a breakup takes time. Be patient with yourself and understand that healing is a gradual process. Remember that everyone's healing journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to find a combination of strategies that resonate with you and adapt them to your own circumstances. If you enjoyed our content, like, share, comment where you're watching from, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Until our next upload, take care.